With Durga Puja just around the corner, the Odisha government has stepped up efforts to repair city roads and complete pending drainage work. Continuous rainfall in recent weeks has left several roads badly damaged, with potholes and broken surfaces disrupting movement. Adding to the concern, many drainage projects remain half-finished, while uncovered drains pose risks to the public. To ensure smooth traffic flow and public safety during the festive season, Housing and Urban Development Minister Krishna Chandra Mahapatra announced that all road repairs and drainage work will be completed before Durga Puja. The minister further said that the repair drive will be carried out with the cooperation of all concerned departments, including PWD, RD and HNUT. Chief Minister Mohan Maji has already emphasized the importance of completing these works on time. Reassuring citizens, Minister Mahapatra stated that the government is committed to ensuring safer and smoother roads ahead of the festivities.
निश्चित भाव में जो भाव में गात सब वर्षा कारण लगातार वर्षा लगी रही से कारण विभिन्न जगह खाल ढीप बनी जाइए। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री का आग्रह एवं आम डिपार्टमेंट एथपाई समस्त आग्रह प्रकाश करके दुर्गा पूजा पूर्व केमती सब रिपेयर करवा से समस्त चेष्टा अच्छी से पीडब्ल्यूडी भी करुच्ची आरडी भी करुच्ची एवं आमर विभाग एचएनडीयूटी विभाग सक्रिय भाव में ए कार्य को तुलैया चेष्टा कर।